Hey guys, this is me Dhananjay and this is my brother Vasudev. So first, before we get into our main video, I'm going to show you my 3 Nerf guns.
Okay, so this is my Nerf gun Flipkart 24. It shoots 2 bullets at a time. So, and then this is disruptor. It does slam fire. And then this is a fire strike.
It has a laser point on it.
Laser, so just need to put some battery inside and then press the small trigger.
Okay, let's get into our main video.
And then we got a box. It's a parcel from our uncle Umesh Mama. Thanks Umesh Mama. Then let's check what's inside.
Scissors?
Oh yeah. Then we're going to cut it.
We are going to cut it.
So first, let's check it.
It's not that tough to get it, but then we got a. Oh my god! Guys, get in! See!
Oh,
good,
it's mega!
Good Nerf gun!
It's actually so
Didn't
good.
expect it to become this big, man. Literally. Especially when we saw the photo of these.
Oh yeah.
Thanks, uncle.
But then, I just saw some video of this and then it was small, but then...
But then in the videos it was small, you know. But in real, I never expected this to become so big.
And see the...
Thanks, Umesh Mama.
And see the bullets, it's mega.
And look at this. It rotates just like
20 mega bullets, yeah. Then let's also unbox this thing.
I just can't wait to show it to my friends.
Yeah, it's actually so cool. So first, need to cut this part.
May I help you?
Nope. Then this is the thing.
It's the thing. Oh yeah, that's a string over here.
Yeah,
It's just
we need to cut the string. Then the other.
over here as well.
Cool,
Man. Wait, one more.
What?
There's
the
one
heck?
more string.
Oh yeah, there is. Then
So tightly packed. I think this is a weak gun. Or else they wouldn't have packed it so, hard.
And then
What we get?
so we have to remove this thing. No, I actually didn't cut that. So how do you remove this thing?
It's a bit. You just remove
Oh
this.
yeah, remove this.
With my
It's
hand.
actually hard, but then yeah, we can actually do this. See?
See?
But then I also want to remove this spring. It's actually damn mega. So mega.
Oh yeah, one more string.
Yeah, big.
I can't just wait to shoot with this.
We're going to try this after unboxing this thing.
We are literally happy. Literally guys. Literally.
But that's actually hard. Can you also remove this thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's actually hard.
It takes time.
We actually need to edit it done. Wow, so this is the gun.
This is such a large gun. So the power of this gun may be equal to it.
Yeah. So it's
bullets.
bullets. Something like a mega bullet. Yeah, it is. Then you can see it over here. Then it's Megalodon.
I wonder how much will it pay me if you shoot from that. Literally,
And
I
then-
wonder.
So the thing is that if you want to reload, you need to go like this, and then this.
You have to shoot it.
And then
This
should
should
add
be.
some
Yeah.
thing
Shoot.
like-
See, this is the power. So fast. Literally so fast.
Yeah.
Faster than any other guns which we have.
So the thing is that the bullet have damn force, and then you actually can hear the sound. So thank you guys.
Thank you guys for seeing this video.